The best printers make it easy to print all your documents, photos and other hard copies without having to fiddle with anything or think too hard about the process. Whether you want the basic document printing for homework assignments, high-grade photo printing for framing on your wall, or something that handles scanning, copying and even faxing, there is a printer out there that fits the bill. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing printers that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which printer did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Brother Investment MFC J995DW, a best-in-class all-in-one that can seriously do it all. Looking to keep ink cost low and printing speed zippy, look up to Brother Investment MFC J995DW, an affordable laser printer. Thanks to the MFC J995DW's extra large ink cartridges, you shouldn't have to negate any upfront savings with extraneous ink cost in the long term. And not for nothing, this is one of the fastest inkjet printers you will find for two-sided printing. Plus, the printing quality is top-notch. Color scans are somewhat lackluster according to some reviews we have seen online, and you can't make two-side copies or scan via ADF. Nevertheless, unlike your other siblings, you won't find much to complain about the Brother Investment MFC J995DW. Buy this amazing printer for its low cost per page, efficient printing speeds and speedy scanning and copying. Links are provided in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Canon PIXMA TR8620, a smart inkjet printer for any home office. We live in the future now, and so should your printer. From scanning and faxing to printing and mailing, the Canon PIXMA TR8620 has all the main features you would expect from an inkjet all-in-one printer and then some. Add in a smart home support and you have got yourself a digital taskmaster for the home office. There is also a duplexer for double-sided printing, a 20-page automatic document feeder, and a sleek 4.3-inch color touchscreen. The 5-cartridge ink system pumps out highly accurate colors, details, and image transitions. The ink costs are higher than some competitors, but that shouldn't be a deal breaker for most. In short, there is not much this printer can't do for the average techie, and it's one of the best printers you can buy today. Buy this amazing printer for its large consumer-friendly touchscreen display, excellent image quality, ADF and duplex are included, fast copying and photo printing. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E all-in-one printer, a one-stop for home office admin chores. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E all-in-one printer was designed as a one-stop productivity shop for any small business. Touting its freshly released OfficeJet Pro 9015E as the productive smart printer that gets work done, the company aims to save you oodles of time with a combination of intuitive tech and integrated ink management. You will be given the option to sign up for HP Plus, which works in conjunction with the HP Smart Printing app. You can try out the first 6 months of HP Plus for free, which activates the instant ink services, automatically shipping you new ink cartridges when the old ones are getting low. Thanks to the speedy printing, scanning and copying speeds, detailed color representation and an intuitive app to tie everything together. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E is one of the best home office printers you can buy today, and it earned best reviews online. Buy this amazing printer for its responsive 2.7-inch touchscreen, zippy printing and copying speeds, useful HP Smart app and HP Plus services. Epson EcoTank ET2850 all-in-one printer. This printer's picture-perfect photos makes up for sluggish speeds. It's on the pricier side for a mid-size all-in-one printer, but the Epson EcoTank ET2850 pairs pure productivity with a printing process that's more pleasing to the planet. Featuring an innovative cartridge-free ink system and impressive performance in a tidy, attractive package, the EcoTank ET2850 promises to exceed your vision in terms of overall value and print quality. It's an excellent all-in-one printer that's accessible enough for the whole family and a way smarter than the inkjet printers of yesteryears. The EcoTank ET2850 is a part of Epson's new generation of cartridge-free printers, which features refillable ink tanks to minimize waste, depending on how much printing you and your family do on a regular basis. Buy this amazing printer for its compact, minimalist design, great for photo printing and scanning, eco-friendly ink replacement. HP Smart Tank 7602 all-in-one printer, the best printer of 2023, can save you money in long run. The HP Smart Tank 7602 all-in-one printer is deserving of many superlatives, like starting with its potent productivity-enhancing feature set, easy setup, speediness with beautiful text and image printing. The Smart Tank is also rated to produce 12,000 black text pages and 8,000 color pages, which will save your money in the long haul. The HP Smart Tank's print quality is a major victory here, and if you're someone who likes to print your own photos, you will not be disappointed. Buy this amazing printer for its excellent print quality, zippy print speeds, and large capacity print volume. So these are the 5 amazing printers that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.